The HollyLand Lark M2s Ultimate Combo is often praised for its incredibly small size and the convenience of having 3 different receivers, camera, USB-C, and Lightning in one kit. However, for every creator who loves its portability, there is a user frustrated by its limitations. If you are considering this kit, here's a breakdown of what people generally hate or find most frustrating about it. Number 1. The no safety net problem, no internal recording. The biggest complaint from professional and semi-pro creators is the complete lack of internal backup recording. The risk. Unlike the DJI Mic 2 or the Rode Wireless Pro, if you experience a signal, dropout, or interference, your audio is gone forever. The frustration. Many users feel that for a combo at this price point, having even a basic internal recording feature would make it much more reliable for high-stakes shoots. 2. Line of sight signal dropouts. Despite the advertised 300 meters range, real-world users frequently report signal instability. Turning your back. The signal is notorious for cutting out if the person wearing the mic turns their back to the receiver, blocking the line of sight with their body. Obstacles. Even at short distances, 10-15 feet, walking behind a thin wall or a large plant can cause the audio to jitter or drop completely. 3. Loss of the magnetic magic. The original Lark M2 was famous for its strong magnetic mounting system that allowed you to snap the mic onto a shirt without a clip. The change. The M2s moved toward a titanium clip-only design. While the clip is secure, users who love the invisible look of the magnet mounting find this a step backward in versatility. It can now cause certain thin fabrics to sag or pucker more noticeably. 4. Audio quality and potato noise cancellation. While the 48 kHz 24-bit audio is generally good enough for social media, it has its critics. Aggressive ENC, the environmental noise cancellation. ENC is often described as too aggressive. At high levels, it can make voices sound thin or robotic, leading some reviewers to say it sounds like you have a potato in your throat. Mono only on mobile. When using the USB-C or Lightning receivers, the audio from 2 mics is often mixed into a single mono track. This makes it impossible to adjust the volume of 2 different speakers independently during editing. 5. Small parts, big headaches. The Ultimate Combo comes with many tiny accessories, leading to specific usability gripes. The dead cat struggle. The furry windshields are notoriously difficult to put on. Users complain that they feel like they're going to break the mic or rip the fur just to get them to stay. No 3.5mm. Input. You cannot plug an external lavalier mic into the transmitters. You are forced to use the built-in mic, which some find restrictive if they want to hide the mic completely. Not weather-sealed. It has no IP rating for water or dust resistance, making users nervous about using it in light rain or for high-intensity sports where sweat is a factor.